guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Natalie. Thanks so much for stopping by. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related videos. Today is obviously a beauty video. We're going to show you how to get this eye makeup look today. It's a little bit more fall looking, but you know, we're getting into the fall season, so why not? It honestly reminds me of pumpkin spice. It makes me want to go get me a pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. Do they even sell those yet? I should know. My boyfriend's a barista at Starbucks. I really should know these things, but I don't yet. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you recreate this look at all, make sure you tag me. My social medias are listed down in the description box below. I also have started my back to school series. My first video is linked down below, and I'll have another one coming up soon with some outfit ideas, and also a giveaway is coming soon as well. And let's see, what else do I have to say? Make sure you subscribe if you like this. It would mean the world to me. We're almost to 300. Thank you guys so much. And if you want to see this look, just keep on watching. So as y'all can tell, I already have my eyebrows done for this look. I already just filled them and I used my Anastasia Dip Brow. So all I'm going to be showing you is my eye look. So to start things off here, I am just going to go ahead and start with a crease color. I'm taking this fluffy blending brush and my After Dark Shop Hush palette. And getting into there, I'm just going to take some of the more neutral shades. If I can get it in the camera, I'll show you. I'm going to take a mixture of Swipe Right and Skin to Skin, which are just going to make a very nude color to start out the base of our crease so that everything else blends in really nicely. This palette does have a little bit more fallout, so I end up having to just make sure I tap off and blow off any excess so it's not falling all over my face. Now I'm done with that transition color and I'm going to take this smaller brush, more precise, and I'm going to mix those two colors just to kind of deepen up my crease color. I kind of start with a more precise placement and then I blend it out some more. And so these are just some two nice colors. Now that I'm done with adding that crease color, I'm just taking my fluffy blending brush and blending it all out to make it a little less harsh. Up next, after I've got that all smoked out, I'm taking this flat shader brush, and from the same palette, I am going to go ahead and use this nude color that I used in the beginning, Swipe Right, and that's just going to be my all over lid color, just to kind of give a base there and make sure I don't have any of that pink color that's in my crease that I don't want. The next thing I'm doing, I'm using this flat, domey brush. I don't even know how to describe it. And I'm taking this dark color in here called Merlot. Definitely looks like Merlot. And I'm just going to take that and almost smudge it onto the outer third of my eye here, just to deepen that up for a little bit more dimension and stuff on my eye. Now I'm taking this very precise kind of eyeliner brush, and I'm using it in this dark brownish color called Aerosol, and I'm just going
to go ahead and use that in my outer V. So literally just making a V in the corners of my eyes with that to add a little bit more browns instead of the reds and just deepen it up a little bit more again. And then here I just take my fluffy blending brush once again to go ahead and blend that out and make it less harsh. Going back in now with that flat shader brush that I used before for my eyelid, I'm going to use this super beautiful gold color called 24 Karat, and that is going to be like the center of my lid color to add a little shimmer and a little pizzazz, and it's just beautiful. It does have some fallout, so you gotta work with it a little bit, but it's worth it. Now on to eyeliner. Now that I'm done with that, I'm sorry it's not in focus. I'm using my Stila Stay All Day eyeliner, and I'm just doing a regular black wing. If you guys want to see a tutorial for how I do my winged eyeliner, I mean, it's not super fancy, but just leave that in the comments below for me. Okay, and now I've got both eyes done, and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll see you guys back in a second.
Okay guys, I just finished up, let me just ring light. I just finished up the rest of my makeup, and this right here is the finished product. Bring it here a little closer, just so you can see it. There's the eyes. I used my, as you saw, my Shop Hush After Dark palette. It honestly ended up being a little bit more fall-y than I was thinking, but it's kind of a dreary day here, kind of chillier. It goes with my shirt that I'm wearing here, like the maroony color, so I like it a lot. If you guys like this look, let me know down below. If you want to see like some more eye makeup looks, let me know if you're more into the full face. I know I did the rest of my face off camera. I've also been thinking about doing an eyebrow tutorial about like how to fill in with the Anastasia dip brow, because a lot of people don't know how to use that. If that's something you'd be interested in seeing, let me know down in the comments below. Bring it back out. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's about all that we have for this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!